Welcome everyone. I'm back with yet another beautiful chapter about our Karnataka, especially Bengaluru division. Our main area of discussion would be the history division of Karnataka into four revenue divisions, its natural resources, rivers, art and culture, wildlife, and national parks, agriculture and growth of industries, art, literature, folklore, and dance, education and health, cultural resources, freedom fighters, and famous temples. This is our India's map, and the red marked region is Karnataka, and right side you see the Karnataka, and this is also the flag of Karnataka. Karnataka is a state in southwest India with Arabian Sea coastlines. The capital, Bengaluru, formerly Bangalore, is a high tech hub known for its shopping and nightlife. The administrative division of Karnataka. Vidhan Soda is the administrative center of Karnataka state government. In order to facilitate better administration, Karnataka is divided into four revenue divisions: Bangalore division 9 districts, Mysore division 8 districts, Belagavi division 7 districts, and Kalaburgi division 6 districts. In this map, you will see the four divisions marked in different colors. That makes a total of 30 districts. Each district is headed by a deputy commissioner and a division is headed by divisional commissioner. We will specially talk about Bengaluru division in this video. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka and Kannada is our language. There are 9 districts in Bengaluru division. They are Bengaluru urban, Bengaluru rural, Kolar, Shivamogga, Davangere, Tumkuru, Ramanagara, Chitradurga and Chikbalapur. Bengaluru division is in the south part of Karnataka. Let us know the history. Bengaluru has a history as rich as Karnataka. The earliest rulers were from Ganga dynasty. After the decline of the Gangas, the area came under the rules of Chola, Hoysala, Vijayanagara, Marathas and Adil Shah of Bijapur. During the rule of Vijayanagara Empire, Palegaras or administrative chieftains were appointed to administer different regions. These regions were called Palepattu. Palegaras were the leaders or Nayaks and reported to the Vijayanagara kings. They had to submit tax and gifts to the king. Natural resources. Resources obtained from nature are natural resources. Rivers, forests, waterfalls, animals, soils, minerals, mountains are the natural resources. Bangalore division has tropical monsoon climate. Kolar is the hottest, while climate of all the districts are not similar. Shimoga receives the highest rainfall whereas Chitradurga receives the lowest rainfall. The remaining districts Tumkuru, Davangere, Ramanagara and Chikbalapur receive moderate rainfall. Many of the rivers of this division originate in the Western Ghats. Some of the important rivers are Uttara Pinakini, Dakshina Pinakini, Tungabhadra, Vedavati, Shimsha, Sharavati and Varada. World famous Jog Falls is in Shimoga district. Waterfall named Mutyala Madu is in Bengaluru district. Some important dams in this region are Gajanuru Dam in Shimoga, Tunga Dam in Shimoga, Vanivilas Dam in Chitradurga, and Marakunahalli in Tumkuru district. This is the Tunga Dam. Many rivers in the Bengaluru division have either dried or are in the verge of extinction due to pollution, deforestation, and uncontrolled urbanization. This division has many mineral deposits. Kolar gold fields is one among them, but now it is all exhausted. Iron ore deposits are found in Chitradurga and Tumkuru districts. Chitradurga also has copper ore deposits. Shimoga district has dense forests and Bengaluru urban the least. The Sahyadri mountain range passes on the borders of Shimoga district. This is the Sahyadri mountain range. Forest and wild animals. These forests have bamboo, banyan, tamarind, sandalwood, dindiga, teak, jali, mango, and neem trees. The tallest mountain in this division is Halurameshwara Gudda in Chitradurga district. Other famous mountains are Kavaledurga, Chandragutti, Kodachadri, and Nandidurga. Wildlife. This division has many wild animals, so for their protection, we have many forest reserves, wildlife sanctuaries, and national parks. Some are Bannerghatta National Park in Bengaluru, Jogimati Forest Reserve in Chitradurga, Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, Sharavati Wildlife Sanctuary, Shettihalli Wildlife Sanctuary, Gudavi Bird Sanctuary, Mandagadde Bird Sanctuary, Kagaladu Bird Sanctuary, Ramadevara Vulture Sanctuary, Jayamangali Black Buck Sanctuary. These are the pictures from Bannerghatta National Park. Agriculture and growth of industries. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people of this division. It has more dry land agriculture and rain dependent. Some important crops are ragi, maize, paddy, groundnut, and various pulses. Coconut, arachnuts, cotton, sugarcane are some of the other crops. Mulberry is the backbone of the silk industry. Ragi and rice are the major staple food in this division. Paisa, hulige, khichdi, shavige are consumed during festivals. The government has established agricultural produce markets in all the taluks and districts where farmers can sell their produce directly. Sir M. Vishveswaraya is the founder of our industrial sector. Iron and steel industry was established in 1923 in Bhadravati of Shimoga district. Paper production factory was established in 1936. The first cement factory was established in Bhadravati. The Birla Cement Factory is in Ammasandra of Tumkuru district. Bengaluru is known for its information technology, aeronautics, electronics, and biotechnology industries. Karnataka ranks second in the export of garments in India. The government has established apparel park in Doddaballapur. BHEL, HEL, Infosys, Wipro, Biocon are the major industries in Bengaluru division. Art, literature, folklore, theatre, and dance. The three writers who received Jnanapith Award are National Poet Kuvempu, Masti Venkatesha Iyengar, and U.R. Anantamurthy. Akka Mahadevi and Alama Prabhu contributed immensely in Vachana literature during 12th century. Purandara Dasa and Sri Padarayaru were the two important to promote Dasa Parampare. The modern literature has been enriched by the following writers of this division like P. Lankesh, D.V. Gundappa, Anupama Niranjana, etc. The name of Gubbi Veeranna has remained eternal in the Karnataka theatre. He got the title Nataka Ratna, Nataka Sarvabhauma. Gubbi Theatre Company established by him has completed 100 years. Another noted name in the theatre is of Subbayya Naidu, K. Hiranaya, his son, Master Hiranaya. Srimati Maya Rao has contributed in the field of dance and has opened a school of dance, Natya Saraswati. Dr. Rajkumar, Dr. Vishnuvardhan, Shankar Nag too have contributed in cinema industry. Dr. H.L. Nagegowda has established a folklore center, Janapad Loka, in Ramnagar district. It is a wonderful folklore museum where folklore arts, literature, theatre are displayed. Yakshagana is a traditional Indian theatre form developed in Dakshin Kannada, Udupi, Uttar Kannada, Shimoga, and western part of Chikmagaluru district in the state of Karnataka and Kasargod district in Kerala. These are the pictures from Yakshagana. Karaga festival takes place every year in Bengaluru. Some famous folklore arts are Garuda Kunita, Kamsal Kunita. Education and health. Bengaluru has achieved immensely in the field of education and health. There are many famous private and public universities. There are many central research and scientific laboratories in this division. Tumakuru, Bengaluru, Shimoga, and Davangere have universities. Many religious institutions too are providing education. Siddhganga Mutt, a religious institution, is providing food and education to thousands of students under the leadership of Sri Shivakumar Swamiji. Another mutt, Adi Chinchandgiri, under the leadership of Sri Balagangadharanatha Swamiji, is also providing education in the field of basic and professional education. Bengaluru division has achieved considerable progress in the field of health. In rural areas, primary health centers and health sub-centers are there to provide needed medical facilities. The government has established primary health centers which functions 24/7. Cultural resources. Bengaluru is very rich in cultural resources. The chief architect of Karnataka integration, Sri Kengal Hanumantaya, is from this division. The Vidhan Saudha was built during his tenure as chief minister. Some prominent figures who contributed immensely in the culture of Karnataka are S. Nijalingampa, Karnataka integration movement, Salumarada Timmakka, environment protection, Anil Kumble, cricket, B.K.S. Iyengar, yoga, Sri Raghavendra Swamiji for yoga. Many prudent people from this division took part in the national freedom struggle, like K.C. Reddy. He was the first Chief Minister of Karnataka, Kengal Hanumantaya, the second Chief Minister of Karnataka, S. Nijalingappa, Shantaveri Gopalagowda, Kadidal Manjappa, T.T. Sharma, and Bhagiratamma. Many districts in Bengaluru division are formed recently, like Ramanagara in 2007, Chikballapur in 2007, Davangere 1997, Shimoga 1956, Tumkuru 1832, Chitradurga 1465, Kola 2007, Bengaluru in 1986. We'll talk about Bengaluru urban district. There are 4 taluks in this: Bengaluru North, Bengaluru South, Bengaluru East, and Anekal. Temples like Someshwara Temple of Alsur, Gavi Gangadheshwara Temple, which belongs to the period of Nada Prabhu Kempegowda's region, is here. There are many churches which are more than a century old, like St. Andrew's Church, St. Joseph's Church, Infant Jesus Church, are few to name. Similarly, many masjids like Jamia Masjid, Jumma Masjid, and Sangeen Jamia Masjid are important. Bengaluru Rural District. This district came into existence in 1986. It has 4 taluks: Nelamangala, Dodabalapur, Devanahalli, and Hosukote. Shivagange in Nelamangala is a famous religious place. Kempegoda International Airport is in Devanahalli. Ramanagara district. It was formed on August 23rd, 2007. It has 4 taluks: Chennapatna, Kanakpura, Ramanagara and Magadi. This is the fastest growing industrial hub of Karnataka. Bidadi Industrial Center is part of this district. This district is famous for Chennapatna wooden toys and silk. These are the wooden toys of Chennapatna. Chikballapur district. Kolar was divided to form Chikballapur district. It was formed on November 10, 2007. It has 6 taluks: Chikballapur, Gauri Badanur, Bagepalli, Shidlagatta, Gudibande, Chintamani. Temple of Yoganandeshwara and Bhoganandeshwara are here. Nandi Durg is a well-known hill station. Kaivara of Chintamani is a place known for a mystic Tataya. Shidlagatta is a known business place for silk. Kolar district. Kolar came into existence in 2007. It has 5 taluks: Bangarpet, Kolar, Mulbagilu, Malur, Srinivaspura. Agriculture, dairying, floriculture and silk production are the main occupations of the people here. Chiktirupati is a well-known religious place. Antargange is an important historical place. Places like Sri Padarayara, Hazrat Baba, Hyder Ali Dargah are there in Kolar district. Tumkuru district. This district was formed in 1832. There are 10 taluks in this: Koratagere, Gubbi, Chikanayanhalli, Pavagada, Kunigal, Turuvekere, Tiptur, Madhugiri, Sira and Tumkuru. This district has many forts built by Palegaras. The district is also known for its educational institutions. Free education and boarding facilities are given to the thousands of students at Siddhaganga Mutt. Another important educational institution is Siddhartha Education Society. A unique horse breeding station is present in Kunigal. Madhugiri has a monolith hill which is the only one in Asia. Devaraya Durga is a famous place. There is a folk song on the tank of Kunigal. Lakshmi Temple of Goravanahalli is a famous religious place. Chitradurga district. It is famous for its gigantic 7-ringed fort. It has 6 taluks: Chitradurga, Hiriyur, Chelakere, Hosadurga, Holakere and Molkalmuru. This district is known for its Palegaras. Madakari Nayaka was a famous Palegara. Onke Obbava is another well-known historical person. There are many other historical people from this district are S. Nijalingampa, Malladihalli Raghavendra Swami, Talukina Venkayya, Tarasu, etc. Davangere district. It was formed by dividing Chitradurga in 1997. It has 6 taluks: Harihara, Harapanahalli, Channagiri, Honali, Jagalur, Davangere. Davangere is called the Manchester of Karnataka. There are many sugar factories operating here. It is also known for its educational centers in the state. The well-known Bapuji Educational Institute is here. The biggest lake of South India, Shanti Sagar, is in Channagiri. It has circumference of 64 kilometers. The Harihareshwara temple from the Hoysala period is in Harihara. Now Shimoga district. It is well known for its scenic beauty. It is called the rice granary of Karnataka. It is famous district of Karnataka. It has 7 taluks: Tirthalli, Sagara, Soraba, Bhadravati, Shimoga, Shikaripura and Hosanagara. Tungabhadra, Sharavati, Varada and Kumudavati are some of the important rivers. Kuppali of Tirthalli is the birthplace of Kuvempu. Bhadravati is growing as an industrial hub. Sharavati hydroelectric project and Varahi hydroelectric projects provide the most of the electricity needs of the state. Shimoga was founded by Keladi rulers. Jog Falls, the highest waterfalls in Asia, is in Shimoga district. There is a bird sanctuary in Gudavi of Soraba Taluk. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary is well known. The Tripura Nathakeshwara and Kedareshwara temples of Baligavi are famous. Kuvempu and Dr. U.R. Anantamurthy, the recipients of Jnanapith Award, are from Tirthalli. National award winning singer Shumoga Subanna is from this district. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe us.